Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. This video we are going to discuss how you can optimize images in your WordPress website using Optimole Image Optimizer plugin. Let me log in into my WordPress website. Let me click here login button, and after that now I need to go in plugin sections. Let me scroll down, and here you can see on the left side plugin settings. Here you can install a free plugin in the WordPress plugin library. So you can get thousands of plugins for free. Now let me go and install a plugin. Here you can type a keyword Optimole, and here you can see this is the plugin. 2 lakh plus active installations with 4.9 ratings. So just you can install this plugin, and you can also check the plugin details. So what does plugin do? So it can reduce image size, and it is fully automated. It supports all image types. It works for retina and web images, machine learning, AVIF, and here you can see these are some additional features. Now simply you can activate the plugin. And now here you can create a free account. Just click here. So now scroll down, and here you can see it is optimizing images. So all the process is automatic. Just you need to install this plugin. Scroll down, here you can see these are the optimized images. So you can check 90% optimized, 94%, 92%. Then scroll to the top, and here you can see you can optimize 1000 images free of cost. So if you want to upgrade, just you can go and upgrade your package. Now you can go in settings, and you can enable these features. You can also enable error diagnosis tool. You can also enable optimal batch. You can also clear cached images. Then click on save changes. Scroll up, and you can go to advanced tab. So you can enable any of the feature that you need. So if you want to use this one, if you have AVIF image, just you can enable this feature. If you have GIF, GIF to video conversion, then you can also enable this one. Then you can go to resize. So you can enable smart cropping, retina quality, limit image sizes. You can also add width and height. So it will work and set new image size. Then you can also enable lazy loading. So these are the basic settings and configurations that you can easily do in image optimization plugin.